Basically, I'm not a nail tech either. I'm not a professional, certified, nothing. I just do this. Alright. So what's up, sis? Don't mind my background, but I wanted to come to y'all and show, or my hair for that matter. I wanted to come on here and show y'all how I do my nails at home. We got the long joints out today. So this is what I use. I am not sponsored by them, although I wouldn't mind it. You can get this from Amazon. It will be linked below. So I already had nails on. My hands are so ashy. I already had nails on, and I was gonna do I was gonna say something. I was gonna do a fill-in, but like when I filled them in, when I was looking at my nails, I'm like, I miss my really long nails, so I'm just gonna extend them also. So I do already have like some stuff on my nails, but you basically just do it the same even if you didn't. So don't get too confused because I already have these on. It's still the same process, okay? One thing I can say that does make or break the longevity of your nails, because I had these on for a month, and you know what I'm saying, sis, is still, I really need some lip gloss. Like, it's getting out of hand. One thing you are going to need is either a hand drill or a nail file. Now, this part is essential. This is what's going to make your nails last long. So since I do already have the nails on, the only thing I need to file is the part where my nail grew out at. You know what I'm saying? So just the part that needs to be filled in. My hands and lips are so dry. If you are starting from scratch, you are going to need to file your whole nail just to give it a rough surface, just to give it something to stick to. So I find that this works better, but it is harder to use. But you can also use this, like a regular nail file. I actually used to go to a girl, she did nails so good, and she only used the nail files. So you really don't need the electric drill, especially if you don't want to spend the extra money for it. You could just use one of these. That part. And as you can see, these are the nails that I did already. These are the ones that's already done, and these are the ones that's getting a fill-in and a extension. I love the color. What you're gonna wanna do is you are going to want to take, this kit gives you basically everything that you're gonna need besides a nail drill, but you don't, like I said, besides this, and then besides the UV light. I did get everything from Amazon, so I will link everything in the description box down below. But this does give you basically everything that you need. The only other thing that you honestly need is the UV light. And if you don't have a UV light, polygel is not gonna work. You need that. Girl, I look cray. Who told sis to get on this camera like that? If you want to open your kit and take your base coat, this is what it looks like. If you are starting from scratch, you are gonna put this all over your nail, like such. And I'm gonna drag it all the way down the nail, since I am going to be extending them. I know you like, girl, how many times are you gonna say that? It literally looks like regular nail polish, like clear nail polish, but it's actually, I guess you could use it as clear nail polish, but I'm thinking this is like just a thin, honestly, I don't know what it is. So my light, you can either set it to 30, 90, or 60. 30, 90, or 60. I usually set mine to 60. If I need to have it set a little bit more, obviously you'll just put your hand back in it. So you just gotta put it in there, and let it marinate, sis. But make sure when you are letting your stuff, when you got your UV light out, make sure you have none of your like polygel or none of your like nail polishes around it, because it will like mess it up. Like, going to look once you've done that. So the next step is actually finding the nail forms that fit your nail. So I am using the nail forms that come with the kit. This is what they look like, plastic nail forms, dual forms I mean. And then I did mine as long, like I filled my whole thing up. So this is, whoa. Now, when you are doing your dual forms, you do want to make sure that if you have like a size that's a little bit too small, and then there's a size that's a little bit too big, like sometimes you're not gonna get a perfect fit. You always want to go with the one that's a little bit too big. But this is basically what you want to do. You want to take it and then you just want to measure. Now that I got my dual forms picked out, I am just going to want to just fill all of these up. Like I said, they do have like little lines on them, so if you didn't want to have super long nails, you can just pick like one of these little lines in it to, it's hard for me to show you. You could just pick one of these little lines to stop where you want to fill it up. But I'm a ratchet, and this is what ratchets do. And this is what we do. So I'm going to fill this whole nail up, and I am going to fill all of them up, and then I am going to let them settle. And then you also get this in your kit. This is like slip, so the polygel is really sticky and thick, so to move it around, like to maneuver it, you're gonna want to use this. So I like to put this in the top, and then this is the brush that the kit comes with. You just want to wet your brush up and then basically mold this polygel around. This is what your nail dual form is gonna look like when you have the polygel all in it, like this. And I'm just gonna fill up the rest of them. Okay, I got them all filled, so then I'm gonna just show you how you apply. So I like to take the thumb, and I do that one first and by itself. So you just want to place it on like this, press it down just a little bit. And since I already have on nails already, just want to place it on these dual forms. Do have like a curve in them, so the nail is going to have a curve in it, and I love my nails like that. I don't like straight out nails. So this is how it's gonna cure. You want to move your other ones out the way and just put it under the light. So these are all the forms on. I'm going to put it in the cure, the light, just to make them harden. Now that they're done, we still have the actual form on it. And what you want to do is, you see these two little plastic pieces? You just want to twist, twist, twist until it pops off like that. So now that we got the base, you know, you see it a little bulky, but the majority of it is basically good. We are going to just file, and I like to use my drill to just, you know, even it out all over. I'm just gonna shape up the ends. So I've done these two already. I'm just gonna do this one, and that one. To want to paint this on like regular nail polish and set it. This top coat is the truth, sis. When I say these keep your nails shiny the whole time, like I said, that last set was on for a month and they stayed looking super glossy like this. That's what I like about gel top coats.